So it's time for another build, and I'm by myself today, which is really weird. I'm like speaking to myself rather than speaking to a cameraman. Now I'm speaking to a tripod. My life has gone downhill fast. Anyway, let's get into this build. So, hard drive, WD Blue 1TB. My favorite hard drive, well, my favorite hard disk. There is a, I actually have never used an SSD for my personal rig. Mainly because up until now they've been kind of pricey, and Corsair VS550, 550 watt power supply. My first ever time using the VS series. Perfectly fine. I've been using it for a while. 8 gigabytes of HyperX Fury RAM. This is 1866 megahertz. Perfectly fine RAM. I love this. Is probably my favorite RAM at the moment because the sheer price of it is so good. I think with the release of DDR4, they've really brought down their price of this. Now you can still get RAM for the full price, but this stuff is. This time last year, you would have been able to get only 4 gigs for the price you can get 8 gigs, and that would have been 1333 megahertz for 4 gigs. And yeah, so you're getting this at like 40 euros, which is nearly the same price in dollars. Yeah, a little bit more in dollars, I think. Barely though. We have an R7 260X 1 gigabyte card. It is a nice card. It is a very good card. Excuse me, I like hiccups. I'm after downing a cup of coffee and now I have hiccups. Never mind. We have the motherboard here. We have an Asus motherboard. It is an Asus. I'm sorry if I'm speaking quick. I'm trying to get this out of the way. It's an Asus M4A785T-M. In here we have an Athlon 2 X4 630. So let's get right into this build.